Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to discuss and talk about DJI. The biggest drone company in the world is officially suing FCC. Or the US government. Yes, the FCC, US government. Now it's just in, and this could by the way, affect the change of the future of drones in America. Now if you fly a DJI like the Mini, the Air, the Mavic, and the Inspire and what have you, this matters to you so much. Now we all know that DJI is the world's largest drone manufacturer, dominating the consumer and the prosumer market globally. That's around 90%, more or less. Now, if you own a Mini series, an Air series, a Mavic series, then you're part of DJI's ecosystem. But in the US, things have been getting complicated. Okay, now you might be asking, what is the lawsuit all about? Now, the Federal Communications Commission, or the FCC, is responsible for regulating communications equipment in the US. Now, the issue there, the case, there have been moves to potentially restrict any or deny future equipment authorizations for certain Chinese companies. Well, that includes DJI, over national security concerns. Now, DJI is pushing back legally. They argue that their products are consumer electronics and no evidence of wrongdoing has been publicly proven. Blocking them could harm American consumers and businesses, of course. So DJI filed a lawsuit challenging regulatory actions that could limit or block their ability to operate in the US market. Now, this is not just a small issue here. This is huge. This is a huge case. Now, like market level impact. So, yeah, just to be aware. Now, if restrictions escalate, potential impacts could include future DJI drones not being approved for sale in the US, firmware or connectivity limitations, very important, commercial operators being forced to switch brands, and of course, price increases across the drone market. And right now, existing drones still function, but a long-term uncertainty is real, that we cannot deny. Now, for creators, real estate pilots, surveyors, especially YouTubers, this is huge. Okay, so now for the bigger picture, this is not just DJI. This affects US-China tech tensions, national security policy, consumer tech regulation, the future of aerial imaging innovation, and DJI controls a massive portion of the global drone market. Now, if they were removed from the US ecosystem, it would reshape the industry overnight. That's that's a big possibility there. Now, your take. What do you think? Do you think this is about security or politics? And if DJI disappeared from the US market tomorrow, what drone would you switch to? So comment below and let's talk about it. And if you're, of course, if you're into drone tech news, real world DJI experience, honest reviews, no BS flight testing, then subscribe to Planet Inting. And because the drone world is changing fast and we're flying it through it together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.